So yesterday we had another interesting day in MultiversX Village because everyone was expecting UTK to start to pump to go to the 0.5 to the 1. Okay, we are already kind of over of the max to 1. On the short term we want UTK to 1, but it didn't go and it just went back to the 0.09, which yeah, it hurt a bit. So upon popular request, more specifically from Mr. Red, we are going to discuss the science of the dump. The dump, because some explanation must be there in the mix, which would explain everything which happened yesterday. And obviously, we also had the live stream from Benny Minko and Martinho Aragao. So we are going to discuss about that as well, because it is closely tied to the suspicion of why UTK dumped. Let's start. Now let's start what happened on the chart. As you can see, UTK is back to the 0.09. We went to the 0.12, 13. I was very happy because I bought somewhere here and now I'm in like minus 40%. So yeah, happy days, but what can you do? It's crypto and it's still a bear market or start of a bull market. However, we have swings all the time. Now, the thing is that UTK just crashed back yesterday in like two daily candles. Today is the second one, so this is still not over. This can even go further down, but let's discuss what happened, why this wasn't a pump, why UTK didn't go to 0.5. First of all, Benny Minku and Martinho announced that they are going to unveil globally the global unveil of X money, and everyone was expecting fireworks, something which will be something out of the box, something new which we didn't know about, something which will create huge gains to the community or to the users of X money, or I don't know, maybe they will just announce the X money card earlier. However, what happened, and correct me if I'm wrong, I watched the 27 minutes, but they kinda announced the release of the website. X Money website. And don't get me wrong, we are going to go through that as well because it's interesting, looks nice and everything. But in this whole scenario, I didn't see or I didn't find any new information, something which we didn't hear on X Day, something we didn't hear on the spaces wherever Benny Minku was on or other team member. Therefore, I think the first clue in our investigation, in our scientific investigation why UTK dumped yesterday, this is the first clue or the first station, because yes, the community was expecting something and they didn't get it. And if they don't get it, they will sell it. Obviously, there is a second clue, which is the buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone was speculating here about the X Money card coming earlier, or there will be a big partnership, or I don't know, something which is totally new, and it would just push eGold and UTK's price into the highs. However, it didn't happen. Therefore, people who bought here on the rumor, they just sold the news and they gained somewhat 20-30%, almost 40%, and that's something, that's good money. And unfortunately, I wasn't among them because I was waiting to break even. So yeah, that's not great. So let's move forward and check what happened with the eGold's price or what we can expect, because what can I say? Yeah, not happy days. And in the meantime, Bitcoin is not that bad. Okay, so I just don't understand why eGold is dumping a lot. And Matic, for example, is kind of cool. It's good. It's on the daily. Okay, so since the 9th of May, it is going like sideways. eGold from 9th of May. Where are you? Where is 9th of May? It's okay. This is 3 days. I'm sorry. 9th of May, it's going down. So this is not good. Whenever I want to see how eGold performs, I usually try to compare it to other altcoins. Okay, let's see what Solana can tell us. Okay, I don't want to compare it to ICP because that's another coffee house. But let's see Solana. Where is Solana? Okay, it seems that we are just like Solana. Okay, now I'm kind of calm. Okay, Solana is also dumping. If we are not the only one who is dumping in token price, I think we are good. So I don't know if you remember my previous videos about buy-in prices and what would be a good range to buy in, because it must be a support or something. Well, 36 was one of them, and unfortunately became a huge resistance here, which is like unbelievable that 36 is a resistance. And even though I was hoping for a bullish divergence here, it just doesn't care. Okay, it just goes down. So next one is 32. Yeah, that is the next stop, $32. I don't think that we will stop before that. Maybe if the news turn. We don't know what will happen in the macro economy in the United States, therefore we have to wait for that. But if we just check the US 30 here, it just pumped today, so there must be some kind of a news which we are going to cover tomorrow, because the default or the debt ceiling raise should be near. You know what, let's just check it. As you can see, we don't have anything tangible to touch. Any news, debt ceiling deal within sight, as Biden and Republicans continue to negotiate. So they will negotiate until everybody gets something from the other, and they will just raise the debt ceiling, which usually is a good sign, because that would mean that they will have to print some money, which is inflation, and it will push the price of the assets up. That's the whole science between the pump and the dump. And as I said, with UTK, the only thing which caused the dump of the price was that UTK is a very serious category of the crypto. Okay, this is financial, so it's not hyped. Okay, we won't see 100x in 2 days as we saw on Pepe, or even more. Therefore, we need to wait for it. We need people to start to use it. We need a bull run for UTK to go up. And yes, until then we will see this kind of price action. And if I may just mention here, we don't have a lower low just yet. We have a higher low, which obviously can be a trend pivotal. So this is what I am watching out for. So this is what we need to hold right now, here or there. So yeah, keep an eye on the 0.88, 0.85, because that is going to be the support, which will tell us whether this was a trend pivotal or not. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, you know the drill. Bye.